In this video, I'll show you how to add bonus casino in one win. This is very easy. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So you want to add a bonus casino code in one win. This is what you have to do. Now, bonus casino is also the same as promo code, which when you use, they're going to give you a bonus in your casino. So to do that, click on sign up and choose quick register and fill in your details from your currency, your phone number, your email, and your password. Once you come out to the code here, you're going to use it. Just click on add promo code. Once you click on add promo code, yeah, you will use the promo code Renzo7. If you use promo code Renzo7, one way is going to give you up to 500% bonus on your first deposit. This means that if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $500. So after you're done with that, just click on register. After registering your account, log in, verify your email address, and then go ahead to deposit any amount of money. To deposit, I'll recommend deposit at least $100. If you deposit $100, your bonus casino is going to be activated, and then you can bet on any casino games. You have to bet on 3 casino games to activate the bonus casino.